Hey there, it's Haplin, and in this video we're going to talk about forms and funnels. Now, first of all, did you know that High Level has its own entire form builder? If you head to Sites and then Forms, you can create a form which you can then embed anywhere on the internet. So if you've got a web page or something going on in some third party, you can just put High Level forms straight into that page, and then every lead that fills that out goes straight into High Level. Automation kicks off. Everything you can do in High Level is possible from that point forward. This is a really simple to use drag and drop form builder. You can put it anywhere, and then you can set what you want to happen on submission in the options area. Set it to head to a thank you page or to a next step in a funnel as soon as somebody fills it out, kind of whatever you want to do. There are infinite ways to customize your form and quite a few ways actually to integrate it, but essentially you click integrate, copy the embed code, put that embed code anywhere on the web into another page builder or what have you, and then your form will be live. And then it gets even better from there. To complement this whole forms feature, we have funnels inside of High Level. An entire funnel builder lives inside here. So if you're familiar with funnels, you already know what to do, but funnels are essentially like a separate web page that you can set up specifically to drive traffic from one specific source, or maybe multiple campaigns all lead to a funnel. But for this lead gen strategy, it's like a whole separate website where people can go step by step down a sales process. So if you click Sites and then Funnels and click New Funnel, you can see we have a massive template library where you can have something kind of pre-built for you, which you can then go ahead and customize. And voila, as soon as it's branded, you can put a form into the funnel with the click of a button. You don't even need HTML or embed codes or anything like that. It just integrates with one another. So you can just pull a form in really easily just as its own element. And then boom, you can run traffic to that site and generate leads that way on whatever offer you want. And actually, speaking of sites, it gets even better. High Level has the ability to let you build an entire full functioning website from right within the app. That's just over in the website section. It works similar to funnels, but obviously there's a menu with a whole sitemap, etc. And we have plenty of high levelers who are either reselling or just using this for their own business, building their entire site within High Level, which there are a lot of advantages to. We're not going to go super deep into that in this video because this is really just about paid ads, but just in terms of the way you capture leads, High Level really has that whole side of things truly and completely built out. So with all of that said, I've included some really important help doc articles that I've linked below. You can click through those. That will take you through some of the more detailed aspects of this feature set. Whether you need to embed a form on another website, build a new funnel from scratch, or build your entire website, High Level's got you covered. This obviously has massive implications, not just for your paid ads, but for your organic traffic as well. And we start to see some of this potential for High Level to radically transform and improve local business in other areas. But for now, as long as you understand the ways in which the form builder, funnels, and websites can help you with your paid ad strategy, you can go ahead and move on to the next video.
Copy, please.